is about barangay justice system in the Philippines.
The barangay justice system in the Philippines, also called Katarungang Pangbarangay, is a community-based dispute resolution mechanism where residents of a barangay or villagers can settle conflicts peacefully through mediation and reconciliation facilitated by elected barangay official, aiming to resolve disputes at the local level before resulting to formal court proceedings, essentially acting as a first point of contact for resolving neighborhood disputes and reducing.
And here are the key points about barangay justice system.
Function of barangay justice system: to promote amicable settlement of disputes between individuals residing in the same barangay through mediation, conciliation, or arbitration.
Governing body of barangay justice system: the Lupon Tagapamayapa or Peace Council, which is composed of barangay residents appointed the barangay captain.
Justice system reduce court congestion, provide accessible justice at the community level, and encourage reconciliation among disputing parties.
Secondly, let's discuss the key features of barangay justice system.
Function of barangay justice system: first, mediating dispute related to family, properties, employment, and community concern. Second, resolving conflict through conciliation, mediation, and arbitration. Third, providing counseling and guidance. Fourth, facilitation community peace and order.
Benefits of barangay justice system: first is accessibility, convenient location within barangay. Second is efficiency, faster resolution compared to court process. Third is cost effective, free or minimal fees. Fourth is community empowerment, foster social cohesion and participation. Fifth is reduce court caseload, decongest court.
Type of cases handled by barangay of justice system: first, family dispute, marital conflicts, child custody. 2. Property dispute, land inheritance. 3. Employment dispute. 4. Community concern, noise, pollution, vandalism. 5. Minor offense, theft, physical injuries.
Limitation of barangay justice system. Number 1, cannot handle criminal cases punishable by imprisonment. Number 2, limited jurisdiction only with barangay boundaries. Number 3, decisions are binding but appealable to higher courts.
Advantage of barangay justice system: 1. Promotes community harmony. 2. Encourage active citizens participation. 3. Provides alternative dispute resolution. 4. Reduce court backlog. 5. Empowers barangay officials.
Challenges of barangay justice system. First is limited resources. Second, lack of training for Lupon members. Third, inadequate documentation. Fourth is variable implementation quality. Conclusion: the barangay justice system